Hey there, it's Miley with Cloud App. Today I'm going to show you how to use .new shortcuts in your browser to easily access G Suite applications. So the shortcuts you'll put into your URL bar of whatever browser you're using, and you'll just need to be logged in to your Google account to be able to access these. So the first one I'll show you is how to get to Google Docs. So we're going to type in docs.new, and then that will take you to a new Google Doc instead of having to go and search for Google Drive and then click on Add New. So that is one way to access it. Another is just doc.new. So docs or doc.new will work. If you want to access new sheets, you can do sheets.new or sheet.new, either one. You can also do slide or slides.new. So the plural will work as well as the singular. And that is to go to a new Google slide. You can also do keep.new to access Google Keep. And this will just take you to a new note. You can do Google Forms as well, so form or forms.new. As well as Google Calendar, so that will be cal.new or meeting.new. And that will take you to a new event within Google Calendar. Or meeting.new as well. There we go. You can also do sites.new if you want to access Google Sites, or site.new. So those are just a few of the shortcuts you can use with your browser to access Google applications. Hopefully you can use this to improve your productivity and save some time that way. There are also some other shortcuts you can use that go to other applications besides Google applications. So I'll do those in another video, but we'll also be doing the .new feature. So be on the lookout for that as well. If you want to learn how to create your own tutorial document, check out the link in the description.